according to the estimates from the World Health Organization, WHO, and the International Agency for Research on Cancer, IARC. Environmental toxic exposure are responsible for about 7% to 19% of human cancers. There are certain chemicals that can increase the risk of a developing cancer, which may be present in the samples or working environment, called occupational carcinogens. If these chemicals are present in the lab, they must carry hazard warnings and should be strictly controlled to keep laboratory workers' exposure within safety limits. Be aware of the following potential occupational carcinogens: asbestos, chromium and chromium compounds, benzidine and its salts, coal tars, coal tar pitches or soot, vinyl chloride, ionizing radiations, compounds of nickel, wood dust. How can it be prevented? Wear personal protective equipment always. Masks can also be worn when dealing with noxious chemicals. When dealing with chemicals inside the laboratory, make sure to work inside a fume hood to reduce the risk of chemical exposure. If handling household chemicals, make sure to read and follow the instructions carefully and handle it in a well-ventilated area. Handle chemicals with utmost caution.